Stop prospecting. Start closing with Outrich AI-powered email outreach. Outrich enriches contacts, writes emails, replies automatically, and builds revenue 24/7. No staff, no training, no manual effort, just pure automated growth. Build an endless, self-replenishing sales pipeline for your business today. Fast setup, bold results, and precision targeting driven by AI. See how modern teams convert more with less effort. AI finds high-value prospects and enriches data instantly. It writes personalized emails that feel human and drive replies. Auto replies handle follow-up so opportunities never slip away. Full automation runs 24/7 while you focus on closing. Integrations with CRM and analytics deliver measurable performance and visibility. Dashboards show live pipeline growth and revenue attribution. Seek and get disproportionate returns with the ultimate B2B marketing system. Typical return: $36 to $42 per $1 spent. AI-driven outreach increases qualified lead generation by 150%. B2B buyers are 4 times more likely to respond to personalized outreach. See 4 times higher engagement and quality conversations with your prospects. These numbers mean more meetings, better pipeline, and faster growth. World's top B2B agencies choose Outrich as the most effective marketing system. No staff, no training needed. Deploy campaigns in minutes. 30-day refund and 24/6 chat support included. Satisfaction guarantee ensures low risk, high reward experimentation. Real customers report faster close times and predictable revenue increases. AI outreach is a superpower that amplifies your existing sales team. Ready to stop guessing and start closing with AI? Hit the link below to watch a demo and get started. Try risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee today. Join teams that see 4 times engagement and $36 to $42 returns. Automate outreach, increase qualified leads by 150%, and scale effortlessly. Outrich, AI-powered email outreach. Stop prospecting. Start closing now.